Now request Honorable Mr. Murugesh Rudrappa Nirani sir to please receive the degree from Honorable Chancellor sir.
You can sit down, please.
Thank you. I request Honorable Sri Murugesh Nirani ji sir to please stand up while I read the citation. The Krishna Institute of Medical Sciences deemed to be University Karad, Maharashtra is known since last 16 years nationally and internationally for knowledge, innovation and excellence in health science. It has provided exemplary service in health and education to the society. KMSDU wants to recognize Honorable Sri Murugesh Nirani sir's contribution in the field of health and social service. Sri Murugesh R. Nirani, one of the eminent personalities in the field of industry and education, is considered for Doctor of Letters D.Litt honoris causa by Krishna Institute of Medical Sciences deemed to be University Karad. His unique and exceptional contribution in the community service has benefited millions of families throughout the country and especially in the states of Karnataka and Maharashtra. He is also known for his philanthropic work and is a true visionary leader and astute social reformer. Born in a middle-class agriculture family, Sri Murugesh Nirani sir has risen to the peak by setting goals and striving to realize them with determined hard work, zeal, diligence and dedication. He completed his graduation degree BE in Civil Engineering and Master of Business Administration from the prestigious KLE Group of Institutions. As an entrepreneur, he established a sugar factory in Mudor Taluka, which has emerged as the single largest sugar factory. And subsequently, he started 4 more sugar factories, making Nirani Sugars one of the biggest sugar manufacturers in our country. His MRN group of companies provide employment to over 70,000 people and support more than 1.2 lakh farmer families across the state of Karnataka. As a promising leader and sugar entrepreneur, Sri Nirani sir has been a grassroots worker from his early childhood. Looking at his dedication and devotion, he was selected to present Bilagi constituency in the year 2004 in Karnataka State Assembly. His hard work and determination earned him the portfolio of Ministry for Industries during 2008 to 2013. His constituency was the most backward until the year 2004, but now bears testimony of his untiring efforts with construction of network of roads, investment in farming technology, and establishment of hospitals, schools, and colleges. As a businessman and an industrialist, he has organized the Global Investors Meet 2010-2012, attracting an investment of rupees 7.5 lakh crore with a potential to generate employment for 1.5 million families. In an effort to reduce the carbon footprint, he has established one of the largest distilleries to manufacture ethanol from sugar cane. MRN Group is the largest ethanol manufacturer in Asia. He is a recipient of many accolades and awards. Bharat Udyog Ratna, Sri Vishweshwara Navratna Award, and the Make in India by the Government of India, to name a few. We, the Chancellor, the Pro-Chancellor, the Vice-Chancellor, and the members of the Board of Management of Krishna Institute of Medical Sciences, deemed to be University Karad, as an expression of high esteem and in recognition of his noted professional attainment, confer upon Sri Murugesh R. Nirani the Doctor of Letters D.Litt honoris causa on this 5th day of the month of December 2021. Thank you.
Honorable Chancellor sir, I request you to kindly award the degree to Honorable Shri Nirani ji.
In my capacity as Chancellor of the University, I hereby grant the request made by Honorable Vice Chancellor to confer the honoris causa D.Litt degree to Mr. Murugesh Rudrappa Nirani.
Thank you, sir. I request Honorable Sri Murugesh Rudrappa Nirani, sir, to deliver the acceptance speech.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Good afternoon to everybody. Sri Devendra Fadnavis ji, former Maharashtra Chief Minister and Opposition Leader. My heartiest greetings to Sri Dr. Bhagat ji Karad, Union Finance Minister for State. Sri Chandrakant Dada Patil, President BJP Maharashtra. Honorable Dr. Suresh ji Bhosle, Chancellor, Krishna Institute of Medical Science, deemed to be University. Dr. M.E. Gorpadeji, Registrar, KIMSCDU, and other dignitaries present on the dais and off the dais. It is an honor and privilege to receive honoris causa degree from KIMSCDU at the auspicious hands of the Chancellor, Dr. Suresh Ji Bhosle. KIMSCDU is a well-known, renowned health science university in India and abroad. It is well known for knowledge, innovation, and excellence in the health science. I am impressed by its accreditation status and its A+ grade awarded by NAC. I am humbled by this degree awarded to me in recognition in the field of health and social science. I have tried in a small way to work for the upliftment of socially weak section in the state of Karnataka and Maharashtra. This award of the degree will be a long way in encouraging me to strive for the high goals in social development of the people of our country. It is also gives me immense pleasure to receive his honor in the land of the great Maratha warrior King Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. His all-over dedication and patriotism are a source of inspiration for all of us. Devendra ji Fadnavis always inspire me as he puts in commitment and lots of energy in whatever work he takes up. I came from Bagalkot district, which is located Mumbai Karnataka region and now called as a Kittur Karnataka region. I am proud to be a son of the soil. Coming from humble village background, it was not easy to make a mark. Born in an agriculture family, it was humble beginning. Post completing my technical education BE from prestigious KLE Group of Institution and MBA from Ferguson College, Pune. I began my career as a modest industrialist to help the sugarcane farmers who were struggling to make both ends meet. The local farmers' long-standing grip and demand to set up a sugarcane factory to meet the cultivation capacity to venture and establish sugar factories in Mumbai, Karnataka region for betterment of our farmers' lives. Friends, I started 20 years back, 500 ton per day capacity sugar industry. At the span of 20 years, I reached 72,000 per ton per day capacity. It is the second largest sugar factory in the country. Now I am producing 25 lakh liter per day ethanol. Atmanirbhar Bharat. It is not only largest in India, it is the largest in Asia. Now total we are running 21 industries, almost more than 75,000 people employment generation in our Karnataka and Maharashtra. Friends, Atmanirbhar Bharat is a vision of the Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji of making India a self-reliant nation. Let us all aim to become self-reliant and not self-centered. In the next my department, Industries and Commerce, recently initiated a program, Udyamiyagu Udyoga Needu. Be an entrepreneur, become an employer. I will continue my efforts to strive meticulously for our farmers and fellow industrialists and look forward to bring revolutionary changes and create innovative solutions in the sugar industry. I hope that this recognition of my work can serve as an inspiration to others in the field. I am a true follower of 12th century saint philosopher Lord Basaveshwara, who strive to create a just and castle society, ensuring equality and social justice. Basavanna eternal message, Kayakave Kailasa, work is worship, has always been my inspiration to serve people. Let us all dedicate ourselves in the service of the nation and people. ಆತ್ಮೀಯರೇ, ಈ ಗೌರವ ಡಾಕ್ಟರೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥ ಹಾನರೇಬಲ್ ಶ್ರೀ ಸುರೇಶ್ ಜಿ ಭೋಸ್ಲೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಧರ್ಮೇಂದ್ರಜಿ ಫಡ್ನವೀಸ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾವೆಷ್ಟು ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಕಡಿಮೆನೆ. ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಇಲಾಖೆ ಮತ್ತು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಜನತೆ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೋಟಿ ಕೋಟಿ ನಮನಗಳನ್ನು ನಾನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸೋದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಬ್ದಗಳೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲೇ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಲಾರ್ದೇ ಇವತ್ತು ನೆರೆಯ ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದ ರಾಜ್ಯದಿಂದ ಈ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಇದರಿಂದ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಿ ಒಂದು ಡಾಕ್ಟರೇಟ್ ಪದವಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಜೀವನ ಪರ್ಯಂತ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಋಣಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತೇನೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಮಾತನ್ನ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರು ಇವತ್ತು PhD ಮಾಡಿದಂಥವ್ರು ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, ಇವತ್ತು ಗ್ರಾಜ್ಯುಯೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ತಾವು ಸಹಿತ ಈ ಹಾನರನ್ನು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥವ್ರು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಳಿತಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಬರುವಂಥ ದಿವಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅದ ಮತ್ತು ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಗತ್ತಿನ ಮೂಲೆ ಮೂಲೆಗೆ ತಾವು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿವಸದಲ್ಲಿ ತಾವು ತಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ಗೆ ತಾವು ಋಣಿಯಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಮಾತನ್ನ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಈ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವಂದಿಸಿ ನಾನು ಮಾತು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಜೈ ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ.
Thank you very much, respected Nirani ji, for your pearls of wisdom. I now request Honorable Mr. Om Prakash Sadashiv Shete to please receive the degree from Honorable Chancellor, sir.
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸುರೇಶ್ ಜಿ ಭೋಸ್ಲೆ ಜಿ ಅವರು ಈ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟನ್ನು ಅಂದಾಜು 38 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿ 16,000 ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಕೇವಲ ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಸಹಿತ ಅವರು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಕಲಿತಿರುವಂಥವರು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ತರುವಂಥವರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತಿರುವಂಥವರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಇದರದ್ದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸುರೇಶ್ ಭೋಸ್ಲೆಜಿ ಅವರು ನಾನು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದವನಾಗಿದ್ದರೂ ಸಹಿತ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸಗಳಿಗೆ ಗುರುತಿಸಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಗೌರವ ಡಾಕ್ಟರೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕವಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿಮಾನದ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ವಂದನೆ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಾನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ನಾವು ವಿ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಇಥನಾಲ್. This is a 25 lakh liters per day. It is the highest in not only in India, we are the largest ethanol producer in Asia. Now we give about more than 72,000 people employment generation. We have the group of industry like sugar, cement, ethanol, CNG, CO2. Krishna Medical Science in Karad में approximately 40 years के पहले इंस्टीट्यूट चालू किया. ये बहुत more than 5,000 students are studying in this institute. Very prestigious institute in Maharashtra as well in border Karnataka also. I came from Mumbai, Karnataka. It is adjacent to Sangli district. Actually, this totally they are doing not only education institute, so many organizations they are doing very good job. They are favorable to the recognize me. Then they gave me a honorary doctorate. For that I am very grateful and thankful to them. Really, I am very privileged to tell thanks to them because our Karnataka is not recognized me. Because I started from 500 TCD sugar plant in Karnataka last 25 years back. After that now about more ಈ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಜುಯೇಷನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಜೀವನ ನಡೆಸಿರುವಂಥವರು ಈ ಕರಾಡದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸುರೇಶ್ ಭೋಸ್ಲೆಜಿ ಅವರ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥ ಅವರ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಜನ್ರೇಷನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಬರುವಂಥ ದಿವಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಜನರಿಗೆ
ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಧ್ವನಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.